Okay, so I want to show you how to get rid of this extra space here showing up. I thought it was another track, but obviously it isn't, because just in one track here, that's audio one audio track, and the second audio track here. However, I see like 4 bars, and I didn't need that. I wanted to have these 2 different audio tracks together. And so just an orientation here, you see the video track here, then you see audio 1, audio 2, however you have these extra 2 spaces. So this is how you quickly get rid of that. It's actually very simple. These are not extra tracks. It's actually just called a audio layer. So what you do is you go ahead and you click view and go down to show audio track layers. So if you uncheck that, that'll pretty much get rid of it. And then you can have your audio tracks next to each other again, so that you could kind of just have a better way to view everything. Okay, thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.